Welcome. If you love keeping your Facebook experience clean and distraction-free, this quick guide will show you how to disable email notifications for Reels on Facebook Web from your PC with the latest update. It's a simple 2-minute tweak that can save you from a flood of inbox alerts without changing any other notification settings. First, open Facebook in your web browser and sign in if you haven't already. So, from the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile photo sits. Click on that profile photo to open a small drop-down menu with quick access to your personal page. Next, in the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This expands another menu where you'll find a couple of options. Choose settings from this list to enter the broader account controls. Inside Settings, you'll see a left-hand column with various sections. Click Notifications to open all your notification preferences. This is where Facebook groups different alerts by feature so you can tailor what reaches your inbox, your device, or your push notifications. Now, you'll drill down to Reels. Scroll through the list of notification categories until you find Reels. Here you'll see options describing how you're notified about Reel activity, including email, push, and in-app notices. Find the email toggle for Reels and switch it off. If you don't see a direct toggle labeled email, look for a sub option that mentions email notifications specifically for Reels and disable that setting. The change should take effect immediately, and you won't receive new Reel related emails unless you turn this back on. To confirm, you can go back to your main notifications page and double check that the Reels email option is marked as off. If you use multiple devices or keep a separate email for notifications, you might want to review other categories as well, but for now you've silenced Reel emails without altering other alerts. That's all there is to it. With this single adjustment, your inbox stays calmer while you still enjoy watching Reels on Facebook.